Welcome to Showsters classes. Today we are going to be dealing with linearity in two variables. You can call or WhatsApp us for more videos or for any queries or questions that you have. Let's see our first question. In our first question, the age of the father is twice the sum of the ages of his two children. After 20 years, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. We need to find the age of the father. Let the present age of father be b.x and the two children be y and z respectively. Now by given condition we have the present x equals to 2 into y plus z, that is the present condition. Now after 20 years we have the condition such that x plus 20 is equals to y plus 20 plus z plus 20. Upon solution, we have y plus z plus 40 equals to x plus 20, that is y plus z equals to x minus 20. Now putting the value of y plus z in the first equation, we have x equals to 2 into x minus 20, that is x equals to 2x minus 40, or x equals to 40, and that is our answer. That is, the father's age is 40. The next question we have: in a competitive exam, 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer while half marks is deducted for every wrong answer. Jayanti answered 120 questions and got 90 marks. How many questions were answered correctly? Now let us figure out how to do this. Let x be the number of correct answers. Thus, according to the question, we have x into 1 minus 120 minus x into half, which is equals to 90. Thus, x minus 60 plus x by 2 is equals to 90. Thus, 3x by 2 is equals to 150, or x is equals to 150 into 2 by 3, that is x is equals to 100. Thus Jayanti answered 100 correct questions. With this we come to an end of another great video. Please stay tuned for more full videos.